Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, this is my self introduction. My name is Dina Priana. You can call me Dina. I come from Kalimantan Timur, Samarinda City. Now I'm live in Sentul, West Java. I am a friendly person and I like positive thing. My hobby are crocheting and painting. I crochet when I'm very happy or I want to relax, and I paint when I want to express my emotion. Now, my dream is simple. I just want to be a supportive wife, keep improving myself, and finish my education that I had to postpone before. I hope I can complete it well. Thank you.